on the top, it makes a little vortex, like a whirlpool. Tornado tube, and today we're going to be testing it out. Oh, so it starts spinning. Some air goes up and air goes down, and then it floods over here. Then you flip it over here, it can also make another tornado, just in case if you want it to. So this is the tornado maker. So it has a little spindle, and it can go to off to EF5, and it's battery powered. And so today we're going to be doing this. So it starts spinning, and then when it starts spinning, the vortex starts forming, and then it starts touching from the ground to the spindle, and then as you do this is as you change the EF2, if I can, it goes faster, and the tornado becomes stronger. And then when you turn it to EF3, it becomes way more stronger. Look at that vortex, man! Hey guys, we're back. So now we're going to be adding some Zorbies into the tornado maker and the tornado tube.
1 hour later.
Hey guys, so we both put the Zorbies in the tornado tube and the tornado maker, and let's test it out. This one seems a little, what's happening to it? This is why I didn't think this was a good idea. And that's the tornado maker. Here it is. Here's the reveal.